Images out of Texas now. A driver got stuck in the floodwaters waving for help. As you can see, it was on the way. This is outside of Texas. He was there on the roof of his car. The rescue crews were able to get to him on this raft and take him safely to dry land. Most of North Texas is under a flash flood watch through tomorrow night. And here in central Indiana, we're watching for storms as well. Nicole Masinsek is tracking them as we take a beautiful look live downtown at Victory Field today.
Of course, the Indians are going to take the field about 1:35 this afternoon. It's going to be hot and humid, and there is a chance for a few thunderstorms. So that's something that we're definitely going to be watching. Right now, live Doppler 13 radar, for the most part, mainly dry. Going to start to zoom into a couple of spots. This is going to be right along 421 near Elizaville. This is pushing slowly to the northeast. So Sheridan, this may clip you in the next 20 minutes or so. Up near Kempton, we also have a very light rain shower. We have a bigger area of rain towards Winnemac, Monticello, Lafayette, and New Richmond. And other than that, we're not tracking a lot right now. We're still waiting to get into the heat of the day with showers and thunderstorms firing at that point. We are still under a very low risk for severe storms. This is going to be around Bloomington, Columbus, Shelbyville, Newcastle, and then points to the northwest. So if you're in the green, you are under that very low risk for a strong to severe storm. At this time, what we're really going to be watching for are the threat levels this afternoon that are going to be the possibility of some large hail and damaging winds. But the biggest concern, very heavy rain. And then, of course, a lot of people already enjoying pool time because it's so warm outside. Lightning. So you want to make sure to, of course, get out of any outdoor area and get inside when you hear thunder or when you see that lightning. Latest satellite radar shows for the most part it looks pretty quiet, but we are going to start to see activity develop over the next 2-3 hours, and that's why we'll be watching the radar for you. Outside right now, cloudy skies, 80 degrees, winds out of the south-southwest at about 8 miles per hour. 68 already in Lafayette, 72 in Crawfordsville as cooler air is trying to make its way in. We have 82 degrees in Columbus, still warm in Muncie and Greensburg in the mid to upper 80s, and 82 in Bloomington. It's going to be a muggy afternoon with scattered showers and thunderstorms. I think as we get later into the afternoon, you'll see the better chance of those firing up around 2 or 3 o'clock. So we have 83 in Kokomo today, 84 in Anderson, 85 in Carmel, and 81 degrees in Mooresville. And as we head to the south, 83 in Columbus, 87 in Seymour, and Mitchell could be close to the 90-degree mark. This is Future Track 13 starting at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Notice how we start to get those storms bubbling up by about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. What I also want you to pay attention to is that not everywhere has that very heavy rain. So we will be watching for, at times, some spots to stay dry. Others will get a very heavy downpour before everything exits by about 9-10 o'clock tonight. Behind this, it's going to be a little bit cooler as temperatures tonight will eventually fall into the 70s by 11 o'clock with an overnight low of 71 degrees. Eventually, 68 tonight. Those storms end. We're going to have mostly cloudy skies. And for your Thursday planner, we're going to kick those temperatures right back up to 82 degrees. I have a chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm in there on Thursday. But look what happens. This is mainly south of I-70. I think most spots will remain dry. It's going to allow temperatures to be comfortable in the low 80s. And then as we go into the 7-day forecast, we have even cooler temperatures on the way. Friday, nice and dry, 82. And then as we head into Saturday, chance for some scattered storms at 78 degrees. Sunday, 74, nice and dry as we start next week. Anne Marie.